Imagine a world where your favorite meal arrives at your doorstep, not by a delivery driver, but by a drone soaring through the sky. The future of food delivery is here, and it's transforming the way we think about convenience. Drones can cut through traffic, delivering your food faster and potentially at a lower cost. But it's not just about speed, it's about sustainability. With fewer cars on the road, we can reduce carbon emissions and tackle congestion. Then there are robots, gliding along sidewalks, bringing your takeout right to you. These autonomous delivery systems promise to streamline operations and lower costs, but they also face challenges integrating into our busy urban landscapes. And what about jobs? While automation may threaten some positions, it also opens doors for new roles focused on customer service and quality control. As we embrace this tech-driven future, we must prioritize reskilling to ensure everyone can thrive. With innovations in packaging and logistics, the food delivery landscape is set to become more eco-friendly. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks deliciously bright.